if you create project schedules as part of your job, you may be frustrated by how long it takes. There is a quicker way, and it's called Planner. Planner turns your project notes into a project schedule in a matter of seconds. So project notes to a project schedule in seconds. Say hello to Planner. Planner is the fastest and easiest way to get from project notes to a project schedule. Let's look at how to prepare project notes for Planner. Okay, let's say that you're an author and you have a new book project and your publisher wants to know when to expect the final print. To start it out, you open up a document, any kind of document. Could be Microsoft Word, could be Google Docs, could be a text editor. And the first thing you do is name your project. Here, the project is called My Book Project. The next thing you do is give your project a top deliverable. A top deliverable is that one thing that your project will produce. In this case, it's my new book. The next thing you do is give your top deliverable a start date. Here we've got December 15th. Next, you try to list a handful or so of supporting deliverables, and these are the deliverables that lead up to or contribute to your top deliverable. Here you can see we've got kind of a sequential list of supporting deliverables that start out with research findings up here and end up with a final print down here. Once you've got your supporting deliverables, you put them into phases. And phases can have one or more. And the key is that phase 1 has the supporting deliverables that can get started right away. Phase 2 have to wait for phase 1 to be done, and so on. So in phase 3 we can work on content and manuscript at the same time. Right? Next, you give each supporting deliverable an activity. The activity is just a basic name for what has to happen in order to produce that supporting deliverable. And then each activity gets a series of tasks, and then each task, the tasks get organized into steps. And again, if we have two tasks that can be worked on at the same time, they will go into the same step. We don't have any like that here. Finally, if you want to, you can give a duration to each task. Otherwise, your task durations will default to whatever the setting is. Okay, once you've got all that stuff, you're ready to put your notes into Planner. Let's take a look at how we can create a project schedule in seconds using Planner. Okay, so your project notes are ready for Planner and you would like to see a project schedule in seconds. Your first step is to open Planner. It's an Excel spreadsheet. The first time you open Planner, you see the big blue reminder to always enable content or enable macros. Great, once you do that, it goes away and you see this. Now there's a column called Paste Outline Below. That's where your project notes will go. And you basically copy your project notes to the clipboard, switch back over to Planner and click the Paste button, and voila! Your project notes appear. Next, you can go ahead and click the Project Schedule tab down here, and in a couple seconds your project schedule appears. And you can see we got start and finish dates at each level. And that's Planner. So next you can try Planner for free. Go ahead and click the link below to get started, or just go to gettheblender.com/tryplanner. I'm Paul Christopher. Thanks for watching.